Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress with Hostinger the easy way. First, you'll need to select a suitable Hostinger hosting plan, perhaps their premium shared hosting, which offers 100 websites and 100 gigabytes of SSD storage. Next, register a new domain or link an existing one to your Hostinger account. Once that's done, log into your hPanel and find the auto installer. This tool makes setting up WordPress incredibly straightforward, taking just a few clicks. After selecting WordPress in the auto installer, you'll be prompted to enter some basic details. Create a strong administrator username and password, and provide your email address for important notifications. You'll also set your website's title, which can be changed later, and pick your preferred language. With all fields filled, simply click the Install button. Hostinger's system will then automatically set up WordPress for you, a process that usually takes less than 2 minutes to complete. Once WordPress is successfully installed, you can immediately access your new website. To log into your administration area, simply type your domain name followed by /wpadmin into your browser's address bar. Use the administrator username and password you set during the installation process. From the WordPress dashboard, you have full control to customize your site. You can easily install new themes to change its look and add powerful plugins to extend its features, all with just a few clicks. With your WordPress site up and running, there are a few essential next steps. First, update your permalink structure to a more user-friendly and SEO-friendly option, like postname. Next, install a robust security plugin to safeguard your website against potential threats and malicious attacks. Always select a responsive theme to ensure your site looks great and functions perfectly across all devices. Finally, start creating engaging pages and posts to build out your website's content.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.